Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to point out major talking points and features on this incredible 430D M Sport Gran Coupe that's presented in the Glacier Silver. And of course we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the vehicle, alongside having the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Situated behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus pack. And we'll go around and take a look at what else is included in that very shortly. Exterior wise, as I've mentioned, it's presented in that lovely Glacier Silver and is in fantastic condition throughout, all of which you should get a nice glance at as we go around the car. Down the side you'll see the gloss black air breathers, our gloss black sidebars and the satin side vinyls, along with the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, another feature for the M Sport Plus pack is the lovely sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Moving on to take a first glance at the interior, which for this car we've got the black Dakota leather with both electric movement and memory, and of course not forgetting the heated seat option as well. Again, as part of that lovely Plus pack, we've got the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, and there you can see everything is very nice, clean and tidy and very well presented and has been very well kept. Moving on to the rear seats, where again you'll find a nice fixed rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again very nicely, very well presented. And of course you also get that darkened M Sport headlining. Moving towards the rear of the car, again showing you off the 19-inch alloy wheels. All the way around on this car we've got the mixed run flat tyres. We've also got a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser, and we'll open up the boot for you to take a look at just how large the luggage capacity really is. So there you can see just how big that space is, along with your genuine floor mats. And again, you will also have the split folding seat option for this car, again further enhancing that already very large boot space. Onto the other side of the car, again the Glacier Silver really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. So as you can see there, again very clean in terms of exterior condition. Moving on to go ahead now and take a seat inside the car to of course run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. You do of course, as I mentioned, get the memory controls for the driver's side. Along on this car we've got power folding mirrors and the extended storage, as you can see there. Moving on to show you around a few more features. In terms of your multimedia, we've got this lovely professional wide navigation and media screen equipped to the car, giving us access to the music collection, along with the external devices, which covers you for items such as your USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX inputs. You will of course also get a Bluetooth telephone, and we'll switch across to take a look at the navigation screen, which again is definitely one of the most user-friendly systems on the market, giving you a nice easy system to use, nothing too complicated within the BMW range, which is always a positive. Back to the main menu. Just before we go and take a look at the service requirements and service history for the car, we'll just check down here to show you the dual climate control, and of course also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. The car itself has covered just over 62,000 miles, which is below average mileage for a car of this age, which is always nice. I've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So going down into the vehicle information screen, we'll take a look that everything is currently in the green, and the next service is not due for 9,000 miles, and there is some Bmw service history with this car, as you can see there now on screen. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully you've been able to see that this vehicle is in a very nice condition, of course, for the age. And as I've said, it is a very low mileage example for that age of the car. So if you do have any further questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Like I say, for further information, that can always be checked out in the description box down below, and there you'll find website links and of course direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you guys, do of course take care, we'll hopefully see you soon. See you, goodbye.